So it's the last day of school. My message for the class, wala naman. Good luck for the future.
I think for me, as the Vice Mayor of school year 2023 to 2024, I'm very proud of the class, and it has been an exhilarating journey, especially for me and my experience, not only through the years that we've been through, but the friends that we've also made throughout the way. Rather, this is one of the best memories that I've had. My experiences, they're all so fulfilling. And I'm very grateful that I've experienced this experience. And that is all.
For the class, message for the class.
I mean for the class.
Guys, wait lang. Ano daw, let's talk about the short film na. Ralph, start tayo.
Okay guys, so for the short film, wala akong naisip eh. Pero, need ko na na-idea nyo. Wala pa akong naisip. Pero, maganda siguro kung historical fiction. Like, paano ba yung KKK? Pero nandun tayo sa perspective na against sa KKK. Para alam mo yun, maintindihan nila kung ano ba tayong purpose doon. Para in a way, may pagka-yums pa rin. Kasi, hindi lang ako yums eh. Yums ako. O kaya, pwedeng social issues para super aligned talaga sa yums, di ba? Like, teenage pregnancy. Kasi, feel ko, as an aspiring journalist, in this modern world, napakaraming social issues na dapat natin i-tackle. And I think in a way, hey, di pa ako tapos. Actually guys, ano tingin nyo? What if mag-historical fiction tayo? Pagbuo ng KKK.
Pwede, maganda. Tapos since natin kahit sa field na lang.
Di ba?
Hindi ba mahirap? Kasi for me lang, ewan ko, parang hindi siya feasible. Kasi isipin mo, next week na yung deadline, Friday. Tapos wala pa tayong nagsimulan, may script na hindi pa tapos. Tapos paano yung costume? Yung prop, saan tayo mag-film? Diba? Parang hindi lang siya logical para sa akin.
Parang di feasible. Kailangan ba bonggang-bongga? Kailangan naman natin ng magandang venue lang, oh. Kasi naman pangit gagawin natin.
Oh, eh, sa yung magandang venue, wala ka nang mahanap dito.
Sa field, sa square, dami-dami.
Ako lang ba? Pero parang hindi kasi talaga siya feasible. Alam mo yung puro ka-imposiblihan yung gusto na lang mangyari. 1 week na nga lang yung meron tayo, tapos gusto pa nila mala historical film. Saan tayo kukuha ng venue, ng props, ng resources, yung mga klase ka natin, ang tamad-tamad. Tapos ngayon sila pa itong magagalit sa akin kasi nagiging realistic lang naman ako. Eh di sila yung mag-film dyan, bahala sila. Kakainis.
The KKK is good, but I think we're not equipped to provide an accurate reenactment.
Pero adaptation naman eh.
Yeah, but an adaptation still needs a venue. We don't have any access to any historical landmarks. How are we even gonna... Okay, if it was literature, maybe we could do it, but, you know, since it's not, I don't think we have any of the equipment needed to produce this.
Dude, Marichi, historical ba ka mo? Nasa Cavite tayo. Ang historical tayo ng Cavite. Tsaka mahirap man. Maganda yung nasa isip ko. Ako na to. Ako na to.
Hi, so I'm the maker of this documentary. The class is gonna do a laborious work. Mag-build ng tent, may note planning, may taga-pukpok, may taga-ano tela. It's gonna be a hard work to do. So we're gonna need all manpower that we need.
Anong ambag mo dun?
hindi kita marinig. Pero I think narinig mo ako because I think the issue is on your part kasi medyo distant yung mic. Anyway, be for the better kasi medyo nahihiya ako of what I'm gonna ask you right now. I just wanted to ask if you are available on April 15 this week para matadlong sa reunion. I know it's a bit ang late nung message, but I didn't know how to contact you kasi you're a bit hard to reach these days and I know you're busy and you've drifted apart. But kakapanood ko dun sa video natin from grade 12 and ang dami mong screen time. And I just think na it would suck if you weren't there. Ayun na naman, I hope you attend, Ralph. Well, ayun lang, let me know na lang. Don't feel obliged if di ka komportable and if it's still a bit hard for you. But I hope you do. So yun lang, I'll text you the details. Nag-drive pa kasi ako. Bye!
Hoy, hoy, buloy, naalala mo pa ba nung tayo'y nagsasama? Hoy, hoy, buloy, naalala mo pa ba ang iyong mga sinabi nung ako'y may problema? Sabi mo, lahat ng problema'y kayang lampasan basta't tayo'y nagsasama at nag-iinuman.